Hello, in front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper or the lower button on the watch. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see the airplane mode icon, looks like the plane. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color to blue, and also you will see the airplane mode on at the top of the menu. You can also tell that the airplane mode is enabled, my bad, by going to watch face, and on the watch face you will see this icon at the top. And to disable the airplane mode, simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon. The icon will change color to gray and it will say airplane mode off. And once you close the quick panel and on the watch face, the icon will be gone. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.